Tiles are brittle and prone to break in unexpected ways. Due to this, the wet tile saws are designed with specialized mechanisms to cut tiles. Who doesn't love to get nice tile cuts, no chips as well, and wavering corners? Well, you may think cutting tiles is a pretty straightforward task. But the fact is, precise tile cutting depends a lot on the tile cutting tool. Below, we have compiled a list of the 8 best professional wet tile saws on the market. We assure you that you won't regret buying a wet tile saw, they are outstanding performers. We have reviewed them thoroughly and ensured that nothing goes out of your sight. There are many products available to choose the best wet tile saw for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wet tile saw for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Wet Tile Saw with Stand, 10-inch, D24000s. If you are familiar with the tools industry, you have heard about DEWALT and its quality tools. This DEWALT cutting wet tile saw is also a high-quality tool that promises excellent work. A contractor or a handyman will love the unique design, and this tool will allow the operator to make accurate and swift cutting. For precise cutting, it contains a steel rail system made of stainless steel. A contractor can't deny the importance of this rail system, and this feature makes this tool one of the best tile saws in the market. It contains a diamond stub DEWALT blade for precise cutting. Besides, 2 water nozzles confirm water will be sprayed directly to the required place per the user's requirement. You can't resist loving the compact design of this tool. Additionally, 69 pounds is the weight of this tile saw that one person is enough to carry the tool, and, while setting it up, no additional manpower is required. The good news is it has a stand to ensure a steady platform. Its compact design ensures stress-free storage at home or in a vehicle. It has one of the best 10-inch wet saw blades for porcelain tile due to its ease of use, accuracy, and efficient performance. Number 2. Porter Cable Tile Cutter. Are you looking for a wet tile saw that will move around when you work? Don't think twice, purchase a Porter Cable PCE 980 wet tile cutting saw. The price is affordable. It works smartly, is small, and is lightweight. All these features make it a portable wet tile saw. The amazing feature of this tool is it contains a sliding table. You will barely find a table saw with a sliding table at this size and price. However, this saw is suitable for cutting 12 tile. Although it is small in size, its maximum RPM is 2850, which is relatively high. Don't you think this wet tile saw has dozens of features that make it one of the best advanced tile saws in the market? You must use a 20V battery from Porter Cable's Max line to operate this saw. It has some safety features like a stainless steel unmovable deck and a shielding roll cage that will protect you from any unwanted situation. With the help of a drain plug, water flows through it without any hassle and fast. Number 3. Skil 3550027-inch wet tile saw with HydroLock water system. If you are looking for a small, portable, efficient, and best tile saw, Skil 3550027-inch wet tile saw will be the best option. It is eligible to cut up to 18 inches of tile. You will be amazed to hear that cutting 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees angled bevels is not challenging for this tile saw. The sliding extension will support you impressively when you are cutting any tiles. The great news is the tabletop is made of aluminium. We all know aluminium is a durable and lightweight material that doesn't get rusted. It means you can carry it anywhere and will not get damaged. To give 100% precise cutting, it has a rip fence and miter gauge. Also, note that both of them are adjustable. This 7 saw has a powerful cutting speed of 3600 RPM. The advanced HydroLock water control system reduces the hassle of cleanup and splash. Cutting ceramic tiles will never be a sweating work with this tile saw. You will not face any problems while cleaning this tool. Maintenance is pretty straightforward. Number 4. Leegol Electric 7 Wet Tile Cutting Saw. To give you an accurate angle cut, Leegol introduces this wet tile saw. The rip fence is adjustable, and the diamond blade of this saw will give you a smooth and precise cutting of any ceramic tile. The blade will always remain calm and clean due to the water tray. Because of the metal tabletop, you can easily slide the tile through. Even for bevel cuts, you can tilt the whole tabletop effortlessly. The tabletop is chrome painted, which prevents the tool from getting rusted. To give you flexibility for multiple cut types, the range of bevel cut is 0 degrees 45 degrees. Making your project like bathroom or kitchen face tiling easier is highly efficient. Its robust design will allow you to feel comfortable at your workplace. The motor power of this tile cutting saw is 120 V 60 Hz 5, and with the diamond blade, it can efficiently match itself with all tile and masonry materials. You will be glad to know its maximum cutting capacity is 1 thick and 12 wide. 3,550 RPM is the relatively best among the other wet tile saws in the stores. Number 5. KEP 22400 Q 3/5 HP TorqueMaster Portable Wet Tile Saw. This small-sized KEP 22400 Q 3/5 HR wet tile cutting saw is designed to assist you where working with a full-sized model is difficult. Are you wrinkling your eyes looking at the size of this tool and thinking how much effective performance you can get from this tile saw? Don't underestimate this tile saw because you can't resist loving this tool once you start working with it. The size of the blade is 4, and it has a coating of diamond that makes the blade highly durable. The best feature of this tile saw is that, whatever the size of the material, either small or large, it can cut through an extensive array of materials. As per the manufacturer, cutting 24 wide tiles is an effortless task for this tile saw. The great feature of this tool is it allows you to work with an additional 5 to the width of the table. It is possible because of the 2-side extension tables offering this extended space. This can be a great wet tile saw for home use, and it is inexpensive and powerful enough to do small jobs in a compact space. Moreover, for your peace of mind, a year of warranty is available with this tool. Number 6. DEWALT DWC860W Masonry Saw Best Handheld Wet Tile Saw. Another model from the mighty DEWALT is the DEWALT DWC860W Wet Dry Masonry Saw. It is a handheld tile cutter that comes with good power to get the project done with accuracy. Features a 10.8 amp motor that provides enough power to cut through the porcelain, glass, marble, granite, etc. The motor runs at 13,000 RPM, making this machine suitable for most tile works, such as splashing, threshold, plank, large format tile works, etc. It has a premium blade that enables the users to cut through 1 3/8 inch stone and ceramic materials. An adjustable water connection works for cooling the blade when it gets overheated. This saw machine bevels to 15 degrees and delivers clean, precise cuts within a very short time. You can set the depth of the cut, it comes with an adjustable depth of cut. To prevent users from hand fatigue during work, there is a lock on the button in the machine. Plus, it comes with a rubber over mold, making it comfortable to hold. Lastly, the machine features a dust-sealed switch, which increases the machine's lifespan. Number 7. Skil 3540027 Best Cheap Wet Tile Cutting Saw. Many DE lovers and weekend handymen look for a pro-level tile saw at an affordable price. Skil 3540027 inch wet tile cutting saw fulfills the requirements of DE lovers and weekend handymen. This tool lets you complete your bathroom tiling work without breaking the bank. Its rust-free stainless steel top can cut ceramic tile up to 12 x 12 inches. If you want to make several types of multiple cuts, you can make it precisely with this tile saw because it has an adjustable rip fence. The rotating bevel range is 0 degrees 45 degrees. Undoubtedly, this range will offer cutting tile in different options. The 7-diamond coated cutting blade remains cool due to the blade cooling water reservoir. This model has a power rating of 0F120 VAC, and the amperage is 4.2. The blade speed is 3,600 RPM. This Skil 3540027 tile saw is an excellent deal for DE lovers that you can cut thick tiles, stones, or any other masonry items comfortably. Number 8. KEP 22700 Q700 XT 3/4 HP Best Wet Tile Saw Under $100. Presenting another tile saw, which comes at an inexpensive price, the KEP 22700 Q120 volt Wet Tile Saw. It has a rail cart system and a meter gauge that helps cut at 22.5 and 45 degrees. The highest trip capacity is 30 inches, the max depth of cut is 1/4 inches, and the diagonal cutting capacity is 30 inches. It comes with a 2 HP and 4.8 amp motor that delivers 3,600 RPM. It features a steel blade of 7-inch diameter, and the thickness is 0.06. Apart from tile, you can cut pavers and ceramics with this very tile saw machine. However, they could have been given a diamond blade instead of a steel blade, they are more effective. Moving forward, for keeping the steel blade cool, this machine features a water reservoir, the capacity is 2 gallons. The manufacturer has constructed this entire machine with ABS plastic, this is where this machine falls behind. Because of the plastic construction, this machine might not withstand heavy wear and tear. One best part of this machine is the weight. It is lightweight, so you can carry it anywhere you want pretty easily. This saw is perfect for people who work in different places. However, you would want to be very careful with this saw. It needs to be well maintained. Otherwise, rust will be your unwanted guest. Make sure you keep them clean and well lubricated. Besides this, there is another thing to worry about. This saw makes a noise when operating. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.